Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I want to show you a few features that you may not know about your iPhone. For this video, I'll be using an iPhone 12 running iOS 26.1. The first thing I want to show you is something very simple: how to customize the control center. You can add shortcuts based on your needs, something many of you may already know, and you can also resize the shortcuts. This makes the control center feel much more personalized. You can also change the color of the icons. Press and hold on the home screen, select Edit, then Customize, and you'll be able to change the icon colors to light, dark, transparent, or choose any color you like. In Settings, go to Audio and Visual, and then look for the Balance option. Here, you can calibrate your iPhone sound when using headphones. If one earbud sounds louder than the other, you can fix it here. If the left earbud sounds quieter, move the slider to the left. If it's the right one, move it to the right. In Settings, type Back Tap. You'll find two options: Double Tap and Triple Tap. Choose the action you want to trigger. Once it's set, simply tap the back of your iPhone 2 or 3 times to activate the function. In my case, I set a screenshot for double tap and turning on the flashlight for triple tap. If you want your iPhone to respond only to your voice, go to Voice Shortcuts in Settings. Here, you can create voice commands and assign them a written action. You'll then read the command out loud 3 times to save it. For example, if you create a command that says Open Camera, your iPhone will open the camera using only your voice. Go to Settings and search for Assistive Touch. This allows you to create a virtual button to activate different shortcuts. You can also customize actions for a single tap, double tap, or by holding the button for a few seconds. You can also enable optimized battery charging. To do this, search for it in Settings and turn it on. This allows your iPhone to slow down charging after it reaches 80% when plugged in, helping to maximize battery lifespan. You can also enable assistive access in Settings. This is useful if you want to lend your phone to someone, but only allow access to certain apps. Select Manage Apps, choose the apps you want to allow, grant the required permissions, and set a PIN. When assistive access is active, to return to normal mode, press the side button 3 times. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.